Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I am going to show you about how you create YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So let's start. Go to my browser and click on canva.com. After that, click on create a new design. Click on YouTube thumbnail. This is a simple, easy strategy if you want to create a thumbnail and Fiverr. Now click on background. After that, I add a simple background here. Now I use this background and go to element section, sorry, text section, and add a heading or simply select this text. But I use text like arm. Click on heading and after that create your first gig on Fiverr. And the style, font style, and also color is simply go to elements, click on Fiverr, simply search here Fiverr or sorry YouTube. That's why it is used for YouTube. And go to again subheading that to get your first order on Fiverr. Also 100% working. I make this thumbnail, that's why I already make a video about how to create fast cake on Canva. Now simply our thumbnail is ready. Click on share button, download, and after that click on PNG. Now it's opening. Okay, now you see how we can create our thumbnail for YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. If you need any type of video related to IT, graphic designing, kindly subscribe this channel so you get more information.